So here's an interesting way to get data out of an Access database and into FormR. Just go down here and create a new Excel spreadsheet. Call it World Access Test 2. Open it up. Go to Data, Get Data from a data source, ODBC. And it will give you a list of data sources that you have defined. Perhaps I'll go through defining such a data source. So if I go into ODBC System Administrator 64-bit, because that's what you have, and you'll go down here and find this driver, and you'll give it a name, and we'll call it World. We'll call it World Access. I'm going to say DSN. Then we're going to select a database, webs, 8020, VMs, VM, webs again, node apps, FR apps, prod 1 student, server 3, S33 app, data, and there it is. And then we say OK, and there it is. So we say OK, go here again, we say ODBC, we go down here, and there it is. We pick OK. We have to give a username, which is admin, and then we connect. And we get a nice little navigator box. And so we click this, and there are the tables, and we'll pick. It didn't work. So we'll say load. And there's our city data. And then we go to the next sheet, and we do data, get data from other data sources. And we say in theory you could put in a connect string, but it didn't like the driver. Now it sure would be nice if we could select multiple items. So it's previewing the last one I did. There's this little option down here to load it to load it. Where do you want to put the data? In a new worksheet? There it says it's loading both of them. Look at that. So country went there, and country language went there. You can sort it. Get rid of this stupid. But we're going to sort by population. There we go. So now we save this database. And we run the FormR server. With a little bit of luck, we can run this thing. You need to run npm install in the parent folder. Do it now. Yes. I forget whether I actually did it or not. So we are here, and so we say npm install. So now we can look at what's here. We can say cd s33 asterisk, and we can say npm start, although we could run the other program. You'll notice that the we'll get you out of the way. npm start is actually going to run the bash script called run. See there, it's the bash script run server. Uh-oh. Well, folks, right there. So we click copy path, and we paste it in here. And this is sort of strange. Even though this is bash, the backslashes are in quotation marks, which I always objected to Windows doing that. But given that I just pasted it into bash, and 50133 is the port number, so go into DOS and we say task kill /f/pid 24 884. Success. The process PID has been terminated. So we get out of there and we go npm start. We'll have this, this bash script will go into, we'll issue the command, and then we'll issue the whole thing and do it all. But for now, so this is started. I don't know why I can't figure this out. So there's our tester, and this is not what we want. We want to run our actual application. This one. This one has to be done in live server. So we're going to go down here to the Excel form, and we're going to choose a file. And it seems to know where we want to be. So we're going to go into the test2. Then we're going to upload it. It says it's been uploaded. You have to go back. And then, so we uploaded it. We have to get the JSON from the table. So there's the table. But I need to modify this pull-down list so that it knows to get it out of this That's a way to take the access data out of into a spreadsheet and then load up the spreadsheet. Of course, what we want, I guess, is the ability to take it from here into MySQL. Oh, we're just getting so complicated. Well, at any rate, that was a video, so we're going to stop it. Bye.